So currently this Maxi Move has the Hoyer lift attachment on it. So to remove that, we're gonna look for the smiley face with the 2 eyeballs. So there's our smile, 2 eyeballs. We're gonna lift up on that and then push it up to remove it. And then we're gonna attach our 10-point scale. We recommend having 2 people due to the awkward nature of this one to try to get this attached. Slide it in, push it down until you hear the click. If you're transporting this device and you need to move it down the hallway, this is a little cumbersome. So you should actually come over to this right here, this black knob. You can lift up the cover and pull the knob out so that you can tilt it up to better move it down the hallway a little more securely. Then you just pull the knob, pull the knob, and click it back into the place.
So we currently have the machine on, but in order to turn it on, if you needed to for setup, there's a green button right down here that is the on button, and the red button is the off button. When you turn it on, the scale automatically zeroes with whatever it has. So if you have the sling already attached to this, it'll zero it with the sling. If not, you would just need to subtract the weight of the sling.
So you have to have your sheet underneath your patient, and then you're going to attach each of the straps to the device. For the top straps, you want to attach them to the white loop. This keeps your patient's head a little bit more supported than the body so that their head doesn't tilt backwards when you lift them. All other straps you're going to attach to the gray loop. Whatever it is that you choose, you need to make sure it's the same and that your head is more supported than the rest.
You won't rock the machine at any time because if your patient starts moving, the machine is set in a way that it will compensate for any movement.
Okay, once you have everything attached, you can take your remote and then slowly lift your patient.
The only buttons you'll need is this for up and then the down button.
And then your weight will show up on the screen.
These are single patient use. They cannot be laundered. The weight max on this component of the scale is 350 pounds.
160 kilos. All right, so if you are unable to zero your sheet out prior to putting the patient on top of it, the sheet itself weighs about 1.4 kilos. So you're going to want to subtract that from the final weight that you get if you have been unable to zero your sheet.